Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Imran Alrai, and today we are going to do an important lecture. सवालात और जवाबात इंग्लिश में। कुछ लोगों को सवालात और जवाबात से इंग्लिश सीखने में मदद मिलती है, तो मैंने उनके लिए एक गिफ्ट तरतीब दिया है जो उनके लिए काफ़ी मुआवन साबित होगा। इंग्लिश के कुछ कॉमन क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर हैं, इनको सुनिएगा, इनकी ट्रांसलेशन भी इन्हीं के साथ में किए देता हूँ। सो लेट्स हैव अ स्टार्ट। इसकी एक जानिब क्वेश्चन है, एक जानिब उसके आंसर हैं। ये स्टैंडर्ड या नॉर्मल टाइप के हैं, आप इसको सुनिए और इस पे अमल कीजिए। What kind of food do you like to eat? I like पाकिस्तानी। आपको किस तरह की खाना पसंद है? I like पाकिस्तानी, मुझे पाकिस्तानी किस्म का खाना पसंद है। What kind of food do you prefer? What kind of food do you prefer? I prefer healthy. Do you often eat out? No, not so often. Yes, so often. Do you often go to restaurant? It's usually twice a week. Is this restaurant near? No, it's another area. How is this food? It's really tasty. आपको खाना कैसा लगा? बहुत मज़ेदार. How tasty is this cake? This is so tasty. Do you like cooking? It's my hobby. ये मेरा hobby है. Do you cook well? I can't say so. I don't think so. Yes, I cook well. Do you have time to talk to me? Not much. Are you free now? No, I'm kinda busy. I'm busy a bit. I'm a little bit busy. What's your hobbies? I like cooking, drawing, and driving. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to watch videos on YouTube. How often do you use the internet? Almost every day. Is it important? Yeah, it's very important. Is it interesting? Yeah, it's pretty interesting. No, it's boring. Is it long? No, it's short. Is it big? No, it's small. Is it beautiful? No, it's ugly. Is it cheap? No, it's expensive. Is it easy? No, it's hard. No, it's difficult. Is it heavy? No, it isn't. No, it's light. Is she happy? No, she's not. She's sad. Do you think it is good idea? Yes, it's brilliant idea. It's perfect idea. Do you smoke? No, I don't. Do you smoke? Yes. How often? 5 a day. Do you like this lesson? Yes, this is very helpful. How do you find this lesson? It's useful. What about going to cinema? Perfect idea. How about calling him? No, no, please. Later. How much money do you get? I get $5 an hour. Are you vegetarian? No. Besides, I love to eat meat. Do you prefer coffee? I like coffee. I like tea. What would you like to have? I like to have tea, please. What would you like to have? I like juice, please. What would you let me serve you with, cold or hot? Cold drink, please. Is it okay? It's alright. How will you pay? I have credit card. When did you see him last time? 2 weeks ago. Would you like to visit this place? Sure, why not? Are you going to change your job? Yes, I'm thinking so. What are you planning to do tomorrow? I'm planning to give time to my family. Will you be busy at 7? Yes, very busy. Can you meet later? Sure. Would you pick me at 8? Not sure. Will you pay for me? Alright. Do you think it will happen? I don't think so. Do you think this project will be very useful? I best wishes for you. Can we walk there? Absolutely yes. Will you come there on time? I think we will be a bit late. Have you done it? Not yet. That's all for now. Thanks for being with me. Do not forget to like and share and comment our video.